Alright, we're gonna do a microwave video. Since my YouTube content has been shit lately, I decided to make a microwaving video with this lit block. So we're gonna microwave that and see how it goes. Hopefully it doesn't explode right in my fucking face. I'm just gonna put it for 1 second because I don't know what's gonna happen. Hopefully it doesn't explode. 2. "20 seconds. See that? That is nice. You see that glow? Ah, crap, it's starting to smell like shit already. Alright, next up we have the cell battery. But first, before I do this, let me tell you, this is the stupidest, lowest thing I could ever do. I don't know now. Yeah. I don't know anymore. Because if microwaving a battery would explode, then I don't know if I want to do it, but let's get to it. Oh, crap. I don't know. I don't know if I want to do it. Stop acting like a little pussy. Let's keep doing it. I was supposed to do it right away, but I think it's empty. Alright, next up we have this fluorescent tube light. See how that goes. Hopefully it doesn't explode because there's no ventilation in that. Only do it for 3 seconds because I don't know what's gonna. Oh, yes. Okay, we'll do it for like 9 seconds. Yeah. I don't know, it's my first time microwaving. I'm gonna microwave some more. Anyway, there you have it. I'm not gonna do that much anymore. Cause I think we all gone too far, but it's freaking funny. It's funny as shit. Alright, I'm gonna stop this video real quick.